Any question on the homework for F? How do you do number 8? Homework for F, how do you do number 8? How do you do this one? Okay, so 2 number multiplied to 4. What are 2 number multiplied to 4? 2 and 2. And 4 and 1. Right? Is there any combination gonna give you 2?
No.
So what was your answer for this one? It's yes, so they call it unfactorable. Okay, unfactorable. You need to get the middle number back. If you cannot get it back, it's unfactorable. Okay? What the other number? 45, 47, 45. Oh, this is a big one. How do we do this? You factor the GCD, the 3, right? You always need to check the GCD first. Don't do anything else. Just check the GCD first. What are the GCD here? 3, 15, and 12. They all can divide it by 3. Very good. Take out the 3. What do you have left? 5. X square. X square plus 5x. Very good. Plus 4. And now you can start using the method we did before. Finding combination. 2 number multiplied to 4. Oh, similar to here. 2, 2, 1, 4. Which one gonna give you 5? 1 and 4, right? Okay, so x 4, x 1. Don't forget this old friend here, number 3. Just drop it down. It doesn't do anything, but just make it equal. What is the side 4 and the side 1 can give you 5? Positive 4 and positive 5. Positive 4 and positive 1. Well, the first question. Oh, this is no. Okay, so this one they ask you to be equal to 0. So your solution here, x equal to? X equal to? Do I have an x equal to 0 here? Yeah? Yes? No. Only when you have a variable, okay? Any letter on the front. They always be going to be 0. But if you don't see any letter, just 3 or negative 3, it doesn't do anything. Make sense? Question? Okay. 47. Oh, very good question. Very good question. Get it? What is the first thing you're gonna do? For 47 here. Always finding the GCD. What? So there's no number here. That means there's no number for the GCD. But they all have the x. So Maria, what is the GCD for this one? When you see all of them have letter. How do you know x is the GCD? Because it has the smallest power. Very good, very good. So x cubed, you took out the x, what do you have left? X squared. 19x squared, you took out the x? 19x. Negative 20x, you took out the x? Minus 20. Okay? And now what are 2 numbers multiplied to 20? 20 and 1, what else? 4 and 5. 10 and 2, very good. Which one can give you 19? 20 and 1. 20 and 1. Oh. Okay, what is the sign of 20? Sign of 1 can give you positive 19. Positive, x equal to?
No. Negative.
Oh, negative 1, yes. And then x equal to? 1. Is it your final answer?
No.
Why not? Don't forget this. I see this a lot. Okay? You're so focused on factoring this one and you forgot the x at the front. So you always need to copy it down because it gives you one more solution, which is 0. Very good. It's a negative 20, yeah.
But it's positive 19.
Positive 19, right? Positive 19. So tell me, what is the sign of the 20 and the sign of 1? So give you positive 19.
20 minus 1.
Yeah, 20 minus 1. So this is positive, right? This is nothing that's been positive. That's why it's positive. But then when you find a solution, you need to flip it. So this is positive right here.
Oh,
Yeah. These two need to get this one. But after you found this, you need to flip the sign of whatever it is to hit the solution. So this is two different things. Yeah? Good. You got it now. Any question on 4F? How many of you got this 47 correctly? Right. 45? Okay. Any other question? Which one? What number? Gabriel, what number? 16. Let's do 16. Oh yeah, this one is good.
16 and 13.
Now we have more. 13 and
16.
16. Okay, 16. Let's do 16 first. Did we do a similar type of this in class?
No. Oh yeah.
We did not?
No.
With the letter, yeah. Without the letter, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Already.
Like we did it with the letter.
Oh, we didn't do anything like this.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Did we?
Yeah.
So why some you say yes, why some say no? Can I see the no? No, right. Okay. There are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. One way is using the one that we did before. Well, you don't see the middle term. Can you think about like 0x? Right? Because there's no term. You can think about a 0. And then what are two numbers multiplied to the 36? 6 and 6. Well, do you think 6 and 6 can give you 0? Yeah. Right? So you need to find all the combination. So x6 and x6. What is the sign of this 6 and this 6 so that you can get 0 out? One positive, one negative. 1 positive, 1 negative. 6 minus 6 is 0. Right? So the answer here, yeah, x equal to? And x equal to? Okay. Now there's a trick for this. There's a tip for this. Whenever you see something like this, like you don't have the middle term, you just need to take the square root of this. What is the square root of 36? 6. Your answer going to be always 1 plus 1 minus. Always. That's the tip. You don't need to do this one. This one is a long way, very long way. Because I want you to apply the method we learned before. But when you see something like this, just finding the square root, 1 plus 1 minus. Make sense? Let me ask you this. X squared minus 25 equal to 0. What is the solution? Plus minus 5. You need to have two solutions. You know why there are two solutions? Who can give me the explanation? I give you 1 point. Why you have two solutions? Huh? Why you have plus 5 and minus 5? Right, but so what is 5 squared? 25. What is negative 5 squared? It's still 25. So that's the reason why you need to have two of them, because they both give you 25. Okay? What is x squared minus 100 equal to 0? What is the solution?
X equals plus or minus 10.
X plus minus, what is square root of 100? 10. X minus 10. You get this method? One more. X squared minus, easy, 49 equal to 0. X equal to plus minus. Write this one first. 7. I can tell you in head, for sure one of this is going to be in the test.
So that's what is right. X equals plus minus.
You need to write plus minus. Yeah. You can write like this, or x equal to negative 6, equal to 6. But the best, mathematically, you can write plus minus. That's the correctly.
Mister, let's say there's two numbers though.
Two different number?
Like x squared minus 49 plus 6. How many is that?
Minus 49 plus 6?
Plus like 60. Like let's say there's another number without the middle term as well. Will you write plus minus 2?
Whoa, you need to combine them anyway. Right? You need to combine that term anyway.
Oh.
You cannot live like this, right?
Yeah.
You need to combine them. Okay? Any other question? Yeah. 49. Okay, 49. Yes, yes. Did you factor or negative too? Okay, let me see 49. Okay, let's 16 and 13, right? You asked for 13, right? So let's do 13. What are two numbers multiplied to 18?
9 and 2.
9 and 2,
6 and 3.
6 and 3, 18 and 1, right? Which one gonna give you 9? 6 and 3. So 6 and 3, sign.
Negative.
Oh, I know why he asked the question. Is that correct so far?
The C on the outside.
No, C, no TCD. But so far so good? How many of you got like this? How many of you got the answer of this 13? This one? Yeah? Same? Yeah, it's all wrong. Vincent?
Because if you were to multiply those, it would be positive, which isn't in the equation.
So if you multiply the last two terms, negative 6 times negative 3, you have positive 18, not negative 18. Remember this, how you check the combination, it works? So actually this one going to be what? Unfactorable. Right? They give Vincent 1 point, that's good. And then 49, okay, 49. Okay, and then 49. It's good. Let's review this one like a test, right? So 49, how do you do it? Yeah? Too slow, too slow. Alright, 49, how do you do it? Do you want to move the x squared over here, or do you want to move this 2 over here?
That's for the.
Yeah, keep the x squared to be positive. So you move this one over here, okay? And when you move, you can just write them on the left, that's fine. So let me just do number 1. So literally, you can like get rid of this whole thing, move over here. Okay, so you're gonna have 0 equal to x squared minus 14, x plus 49. So what's good? And then you can just make them on the left, like rewrite the order. It doesn't make any difference. All right, two numbers multiplied to 49. 7 and 7. Oh, 7 and 7 can give you 14, right? So just go ahead with that combination. 7 equal to 0. Sign. Both negative. Oh, what is this then? X equal to 7, x equal to 7? No, just write 1 and dr. Oh, you guys got it. Good. Maybe we can have a test today. A lot of students do well on this unit 4 test. I'm talking about last year. Better than unit 3. Okay. Any question on the homework? Can we move on? Yeah? Take a picture if you make any incorrection answer on your homework. Okay. All right. Yeah. The 49. Okay.
It doesn't matter. It's just 7.
All right. 4G is factoring trinomial. It's still trinomial, but a different type. You can write type 2.
Just switch this on.
yeah, that's what I'm
Alright, ready? Okay, so I think that's good that we review the homework, so I don't need to go like last time again. Let's just go directly today. Well, last time just one problem that we may not know how to do it. All right, how do we factor this? What is the first thing?
Greatest common factor. Greatest common.
Yes, no, that's good. Rate common factor, the same thing. Or GCD, rate common divisor, right? That's just the same thing too. What is GCD here then? That's right. 2? Yeah, right. So 2 is the GCD. So what do you have left?
5x
5x
squared
square minus 12,
6
17. Just calculate it on the test, yeah? 12 divided by 2 is? Do we know how to factor this? We not learn how to do this yet. That's today, the type 2. What the difference? So what the difference between type 2 and type 1 we learned last time? What is the difference? The last time we saw standard form. What's the difference? They have I think they've been sending out to select got to. The number in the front. Okay? Well, you think, oh, just one more number in the front, but actually no. It actually make a lot of work. Give you a lot of work. Okay? So we're gonna learn about how to do this today. All right. Usually last year I give the step by step, but I completely change this year. We all think together and we come up with the step by step together. Okay. All right. Ready? So comparing to the last time, now let me show you how to do this one. Very easy. So you need to pay attention too. Okay. Just write down and because you need to pay attention to understand this. So last time, maybe write something easy. We're gonna find two combinations. What is the number multiplied to 4? 4 and 1, 2 and 2, right? Which one gonna give you 3? 4 and 1, right? Okay. We're gonna work together step by step on this one and this one. Now 6, but in this one you also have the 5. So you not only need to factor the 6, but you also need to factor the 5. What are two numbers multiplied to 5? 5 and 1, okay? Oh, we only have one combination, 5 and 1. So here this is how you're gonna do. Different from this, okay? You know why this one always x and x? Because x times x is x squared. So if I write x and x again, x times x, is it going to give me 5x squared? No. So that means you need to put some number in here. This is the number you're gonna put. 1 and 5. 1, 5. Yeah, so what's good? That's the main difference, okay? But do we need to write 1, invisible 1?
No.
No, right? Where is it? Here. X and 1x. So when you buy this, you buy this. No, they come together. So what's good? So after you've done the combination on the front, then you want to find a combination on the back, similar to the one you done before. So 2 number multiplied to 6 is 3 and 2, 6 and 1. Whoa. This one you cannot check if this is gonna give you 17. Why?
You're not big enough.
Huh? Why you cannot check the combination? Is it give you 17? You cannot check that because you also have a number here. They also contribute to get the middle one. So I hope you have a space on the top title. I leave the space here. I also call this way, this method, I'm calling this method to compare to the last method, I'm calling this one is smiley way. So if you say my smiley way and you know a student, they know it, that's my student. Smiley way. You will know what is the smiley way mean, okay? So the first one is we're gonna talk about this together. Okay? Alright. So 6 and 1, 3 and 2. Now notice this one. In this type, the order on the back matters. Who understand what I meant? Listen.
It matters whether you put 3 first or 2 first.
Exactly. Let me listen one point. So that means 3, 2 is different from 2, 3. Because 1 and 5 here, they change everything. That's why I told you. Only one number in the front, they change everything. This, they're both x and x. So no matter what number you go first. Do you agree? But now in this one you have 1 or 5. So if you have 2 here, 2 gonna pair with 5, 3 gonna pair with 1. So if you change the 3 and 2, now 3 gonna pair with 5. So the order is gonna be matter. Okay? So 3, 2 and 2, 3 is different. And then 6, 1 you also have 1, 6. You got it. Good. So 4 combination. Okay, 4 combination. Later on, you're gonna see that some problems you're gonna have more combination on the top. That means you're gonna have a lot of combination to check. But I'm gonna show you the trick to see which one works. Okay, now you're gonna find a combination, put it here. Later, give me just choose any combination. You don't know it so far. So just guess. 3, 2. You know already? That's not fun. Let's do something else. 6, 1. Let's do something else. I know you got it. 6 and 1. Okay, let's check 6 and 1. Why do I call it smiley way? Because here is how you check it. Does it look like smiley? No? Okay, the head, the eye here. Is it? Kind of? Alright, thank you for your support. Okay. Oh, that's the ear. That's the ear, right?
And that's his nose.
You can put some earring. No. Some bear. Anyway, we go off. Okay. Smiley way to show you where do you multiply them. 6 times 5 is 30. 30. Okay. 1 times 1 is 1. Now 30 and 1. This is the one you're gonna check if 30 and 1 can give you 17. Can it give you 17? So this is not work. Yeah, so here you're gonna check combination here. Is 2 and 2 give you 3? No, 4 and 1 can give me 3. But in this case, type 2, you're gonna check right here in this step. You're gonna multiply them first. You're gonna do the smiley way first. And then you can check if 30 and 1 can give you 17. So I recommend when you see this not working, just cross it, don't erase it. Why?
No, you already tried.
Yes, you're gonna keep a record which one you already tried. Sometimes you have more combination, you forgot, oh, did I try this one already? So just cross it out. Okay? I'm gonna leave you enough space to do it. So just write the same thing. 1x. Well, we don't need to write 1, but just keep it. And then 5x. Okay, now let's say which one you're gonna choose. Which one you wanna try? Next. 3, 2. Alright, now smiley way, let's go. That means 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? 15. Yeah, 15x, okay. 1x times 2? 2x. Oh, do you think 15x and 2x can give you negative 17? No?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
15 and 2, can it give you 17? You actually don't need to write x. Right? What is the sign then? Negative and? Negative and positive? Negative and negative, right? Negative 15 and negative 2. I'm gonna give you negative 17. So that's how you find it. Yeah? So just a little bit more complicated, but not really like a lot.
Wait, mister.
You just have more number, yeah.
How's the negative?
Because I want to match with the middle number here. The middle number here is negative 17. So do you agree that negative 15 minus 2 is negative 17? Right? That's how you think it is.
Okay, and then for the when you do the smiley, do you have to check every way, like 2, 3, and then 3, 2?
Right. But then because this one worked already, you don't need to check the other one.
Yeah, but I say you did 2, 3 first. You
Yeah. That's right. Okay, that's very good question. Okay, let's give Naya 1 point. Very good. Let's say you couldn't find it yet. You're gonna try the 2, 3 first. Okay, let's multiply them. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 3 is
3.
Do you think 10 and 3 gonna give you 17? No, not right. Then you can flip it. Yeah. So now, very good question. Now, how do you know which one gonna work? Like, if you're gonna go over one by one, it's gonna be a lot of combination to check. Okay.
Would it still give you like the same answer if you switch like 5 and 1? Like,
Yeah.
let's say like instead of-
Right.
You could put 3 and then like 5.
So if 5 go first, then this is gonna go back to this one. But that's why you need to fix the first one. The first one you don't changing it. Okay? Like if you stick with the 1 and 5, you need to stick with 1 and 5 for all the guessing you do. Does it make sense? What I meant is if you start with the 1x and 5x like this, the order like this, you need to keep the same order for all the things that you're gonna try. Don't flip it. If you flip it, you're gonna ruin it. Make sense? You give around 1.2. That's a good question too. Huh? You get it? Okay. Now the tip is when you look at the middle number 17, you just need to guess. Like if I put 6 and 5, if I put some big number here, 6 times 5 is 30. It's kind of very big. So just kind of guess. There's no magical thing here. You just kind of think which number you think when you multiply them, they're gonna get close to the 17. Like if I multiply 6 and 5, it's already 30. It's kind of big already. It's not gonna work. So I think I'm gonna start with the 3 and 2, and then just check the order. Yeah? Okay. Let's do one more, and then I can let you do the. Do we have time to read whiteboard? No, huh?
I thought you were joking.
We can continue tomorrow for this lesson though. Yeah, we only have 15 minutes left. Okay, number 2. What's the first step you're gonna do? Find the combination of the front. Okay, the first one. Yeah. So 2, you have what number more gonna do 2? 2 and 1. So this is how you're gonna write it. 2x and 1x, but you don't need to write 1. Okay. So what's it good? And now you're gonna find a combination of the back, right? The back. So 2, it's still 2 and 1. Easy. And
1 and 2.
1 and 2. You got it. Order matters. Good. Which one you want to try?
1 and 2.
This doesn't matter. It's just coincidence. They're the same. That's why I say order in the back. Order on the back matters. The order matters. Okay, so that means 2 and 1 and 2, they're different. The order matters. Yeah. So if you check 2 and 1, it doesn't work, then you can check the 1 and 2. Okay. You know what? Let's do 2 and 1. Let's do 2 and 1. Right. Let's do the smiley. 2 times 1 is. 2 times 1 is. Do you think 2 and 2 can give you 5? No, right? So this is not gonna work. So 2 and 1 not working, but then when you make 2, 1 and 2, that's why order matters. Okay? So 2x, same thing. We're gonna do the same thing, and then 1 and 2. Okay, now do smiley. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Huh? And then 1. Do you think 1 and 4 can give you 5? Yes. What is the sign? Can you get positive 5? Positive and negative?
Positive.
Positive 1, positive 4. We're going to give you positive 5. Positive 1 come from this. Positive 4 come from this. So that's why you need to check positive, positive. Okay? Whoa, they're asking you to stop. So don't stop right here. What is the solution? The solution we learned before. What is the solution for this one? Let's do this one first. Easy. X equal to? Negative 2. Lesson, last lesson, right? No, last 2 lessons. X equal to? Negative, right? 1, positive 1, you flip the side, become negative first. Negative 1. But then, since you have the number in the front over here, you need to divide it. Right? So divide by 2. That's the answer. Okay?
When
Yeah.
you take it out and you add it to there, you just flip the sign.
You need, when you take it out at a solution, you need to flip the side this. Why you need to flip the side? Because you actually just solve them, let them equal to 0 and solve for it. And do you agree that if I want to isolate the x, I need to minus 2? Right? So that's why we did flip the sign, because that's the answer. Yeah? So it's a tip we're going to do faster by flipping the sign. You need to like write 3 lines or something like this. When you have the number 2 in the front?
No, the one. That was just a little sign.
This one? Any question? Let's do one more and then I think that's it for one more. We can continue tomorrow though. Alright, 3x squared minus 22x plus 7 equal to 0. Alright, try it. The first 8 students, you give your point.
Wait.
3, 1. So 3x, 1x. What a combination of the 7? 7 and 1. And 1, 7. All that matters. Okay, all that matters. Okay, we're going to try. 1, 7. Alright? You cannot think. This is the kind of thing 22. You want to make them really big. So 3 times 7, that's going to be big. Right? When you do the smiley, this is going to go together. So, smiley, let's go. Ta-da! Okay. 1 times, yeah? You like it? 1 times 1 is? 1. 3 times 7 is? Now, a lot of you kind of mess up the sign over here. I need to get a negative 22. So what's the sign of negative? What is the sign of 1 and the sign of 21? Negative. I need negative 1. That's mean I need this one to be negative. I need negative 21. That means this one needs to be negative. Make sense? So after you found in the sign and everything here, that's the solution. This one is easier. Let's do this one first. X equal to 7. And x equal to? Flip the sign here. 1 and then divide it by the number in the front. Yeah? That's it.